I'm really not feeling this ponytail today, but like we're here and I'm too lazy to change it. So like, what else are we supposed to do? You just gotta roll with the punches, all right? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video that I thought would be helpful to you guys because I feel like these are products that either aren't talked about enough or no one knows about them. And by no one knows about them, I mean, like, I've never seen anyone talk about them, and the world, starts and stops on my block, apparently. So I'm just, going off my opinion. I personally don't see these products talked about a lot. And I feel like all with the exception of one is relatively inexpensive. So I just wanted to, put you guys onto some game, hopefully help you out. And let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so today's video is obviously, based on the title, gonna be some drugstore products that I think are underrated, and all of these are used on natural hair. I don't think any of them are like for straight hair. No, I use these all on my curly hair. Well, one I kind of use for straight, whatever. We'll get into it. So I'm gonna start in no particular order, the order being, oops, it's on the floor. The order being, I only have one of the products handy. The other three, I'm gonna have to put pop-ups up on the screen because I ran out of it. But the first product, it's gonna be another weird video. The first product is the Eco Style Cannabis Sativa Oil, and it's a natural moisturizer, leave-in condition. I probably should have had this ready before I started filming, but I mean, that means I would have been prepared, and that's just not what my life is about right now, being prepared. So what the fuck? You ever get mad when Google searches like the wrong thing that you weren't trying to search, but it's not that Google searched the wrong thing, is that you can't spell? Story of my life. All right, so this first item, as I suspected, I actually don't see it in the stores anymore, and I'm not sure why. And by don't see it in the stores, I mean I haven't been to a store. So I wanted to make sure I found it online. Let me know, guys, because I'm gonna be really upset if I'm recommending this to you guys and you can't find it. But I did find it on Amazon, okay? So I'll put the link below. But it's this product right here. And when I first bought it, it was like $20, or like maybe 18. It was expensive, but I fell in love with this stuff, and I will put the review down. I'll link it below or link it at the end of this video so you can see me trying this product. First of all, smell. Oh my God, I love the smell of it. But it's a creamy product and it spreads through your hair relatively well, especially for it being like a thick cream product. It's supposed to be a leave-in. I mean, that's what it says. It is a leave-in, but I used it as like a leave-in style. It was an all-in-one type of deal, and I was very impressed with the results I got. Now, online, on the Amazon, on the interwebs, it's like $11.99, I think. So I'll link that below as well. But I don't know. Can you guys comment below and let me know, like, is it still in the stores? Like, I genuinely don't know because, girl, I don't even know the last time I've been into like a Walgreens or a CVS, and that's where I got it from the first time. But I still wanted to mention, just in case, like, it's just like I'm not seeing it, but all y'all are seeing it. I didn't want anything to be left out. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get her out the way, because the other products, I feel like, no, one of them kind of isn't available in the stores either. Whatever, it's still a drugstore product. Moving right along. Oh, yeah, I said I don't have it anymore. I feel like I need a placeholder with my phone. The next product is the Cantu Cleansing Shampoo. And I've talked about this item before as well. It's like $3.99 or $4.99. And a lot of people do not like this product, and I can understand why. But I love it because, to me, it is more in the realm of a clarifying shampoo. Now, it doesn't say that, and it's also sulfate free, if I remember correctly. I know some people are concerned about that. Me personally, I don't care. I feel like I probably should, be focused more on ingredients. I used to be, and then life changed, and girl, I don't know. Sometimes not caring is easier, but that sounds like a lazy cop out. Girl, this is the story of my life right now, okay? internal struggles. But I love that product for clarifying my hair. And I can technically use it like right before I'm about to flat iron my hair, but I would still prefer to use the, I was about to say the Michael Jordan Owl Buoy. What even is that? The Paul Mitchell, like Paul Mitchell, Michael Jordan. Like, I don't even know how that's in the realm of the same whatever. The Paul Mitchell Owl Buoy, if I want to cleanse my hair like thoroughly before I'm about to flat iron it. But now we're talking about the, you know, stay focused. The the Cantu cleansing shampoo, it is very stripping. Like, it made my hair feel like squeaky clean, but I need that sometimes because I often put a lot of butters and creams and gels on my hair, and I need something that's going to get in there and get rid of it. Okay, so I can start with a blank slate, because I've often run into the fact of where I'll wash, condition, and deep condition my hair, and I still feel like it's kind of dry after all of that. And it's because I didn't fully strip out the products that were on my hair previously so that it, you know, the nutrients could get back into my hair strands. Now, I do feel like this kind of strips everything out of your hair. Some people actually say that they feel that the shampoo is somewhat moisturizing. It didn't moisturize my hair. Okay. I didn't feel moisturized. Okay. My hair felt a little crispy clean afterwards, but I was okay with that because that was my goal. That's what I was going for. So I would recommend that if you're looking for an inexpensive shampoo that's really gonna get the job done. I love it. I can't recommend it enough. And if I didn't have 5011 shampoos, I would have went out and repurchased it already. But like an ongoing theme of my channel for like the past year has been like, I'm tired of buying stuff because I'm tired of having stuff. And it's just annoying to me at this point. Like, what I'm looking at right now, oh my gosh. And my niece is about to come over, and I really wanted to like get this guest room all nice for her, but like, sorry, baby. All my products. Auntie still loves you though. But yeah, I can't have any more stuff in my house. So that's why I actually haven't really purchased a lot, you guys, at all. I'm going off on a tangent again. You know, get your life back together. Next in line, hold on, I made a list so I wouldn't forget anything. My mind ain't right as late. Girl, what is your bag? You have it being right. The next is the Garnier Mask Honey Treasures, or why did I say that like that? The Garnier Honey Treasures mask. My favorite used to be the one with avocado, but for some reason they got rid of it. Like, that's so rude. But I feel like enough people don't talk about this product. Like, I don't really see like many people talking about it, and it's like $5 or $6, and it is one of the best drugstore deep conditioners. Super moisturizing. Like, your hair feels like heavy with moisture after using this product. I don't think I've ever used it on camera, so I don't have anything to link for you guys. Lo siento. Pero like, yeah, I'm giving you what I can. Just trust me on this. Absolutely love it. Like I said, it's super moisturizing. When I got it, I used to get it from, I think Walgreens, but now Amazon has it. So I'll link it below for you guys as well. I only saw it in a 2-pack on Amazon though, but it's only like $5 a pack. I mean, a pack each. So that's like $10 in total. So I'll link that below for you guys as well. But I absolutely love that stuff. And again, I feel like sometimes I don't even know if it's that people don't talk about these products or that the market is so inundated with products right now. Like, a lot of things not necessarily get like bypassed, but it's like, we saw it, we seen it, we looked at it, we're over it. Okay, like we've moved along, and I just don't. I'm trying not to participate in that consumerism. I feel like that's really rich coming from me, but I try and participate in it as little as often. Like, I'm all for loving for a new product, the next best thing, but that doesn't mean like the products that were currently working for me are like no longer necessary. You know, so I'm stuck in a world where I want to show you guys all the latest and greatest, but also being true to myself. And this stuff is just having all these things that's driving me up a wall. Okay, driving me up a wall. The stuff is actually stacking up a wall if we really want to talk about it. Next in line, and this is the final thing, but it's technically 4 things, and I've reviewed all 4 on my channel, and it is the Hask mask. It's like the main 4 that I don't know if they started with them, but it's the main 4. I'm gonna pop them up 1 through 4. No, it's just 4. Y'all, Oh my gosh, it's the macadamia one, the coconut one, the argan oil one, and the, what did I say, macadamia, coconut, argan. Can't think of the last one. What's the pink one? What's the pink one? I don't know. All of those are amazing. I will link them down below. The videos that I reviewed of those, each one has its own video. But y'all, oh my gosh, the best one is the one in the purple pack, the macadamia one. And then I would say next in line would be the yellow one, which is the argan one, if I remember correctly. Yeah, y'all. That macadamia one is probably the hands down most moisturizing mask I've ever tried in my life. The only thing I don't like about it is I mean, it's a benefit and it's like a drawback, is that it comes in a little, I think they're 1.75 ounce packs, or maybe they're 2 ounce packs. So you have to buy multiples, but oh my God, it's so good. But that could also be a good thing if you know, only, you know, you can buy 4 a month and they're like $2 and you're good on conditioning your hair. Well, if your hair, no, technically I probably need like 2 packs at this point. Anyways, we're missing the point. The point is the mask is hot fire. The fact that it doesn't come in a larger container irritates me, except I remember when I reviewed it, some of y'all were like, oh, it does come in a larger container, but why? Like, I feel like I'm playing Where's Waldo when I'm looking for these products. So sometimes I feel like the drugstore makes the macadamia ones specifically hard to find, but all the other ones I never have any problems finding. Like, they're at Ulta, Walgreens, CVS, the usual suspects. But y'all, I'm just trying to tell y'all, okay? Don't say I never told you. But yeah, I think that is it. I didn't want to talk about too many products. I stopped it at 4, because I wanted to do like the first things that came to my mind, because I knew that's you know, those are the ones that I really felt strongly about. And also I wanted to gauge you guys' interest in this. Like, is this topic even interesting to you? So I was like, let me not ramble as long as I normally do, you know, because they might not even like be too much interested, and I don't want to just talk to myself. Just kidding. I do that anyway. Like, I could make a video of 30 minutes just talking to myself about nothing. So that's not true. Okay. Gotta be true with ourselves. Anywho, that is it. I'm gonna cut this video because I was about to start on a tangent. Where are we going? We don't know. We don't know, but we were on our way. So yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you want me to do another video, because I have plenty of products that I feel like are underrated that, you know, I could put y'all on to. But do you want to drink if I take you to the water? I don't know. It's for you. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Ow. You're stabbing me the whole time. Ah, see? Ay, 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 ay.